guys, welcome back to another adventure. Today I'm out here at beautiful Hawk Creek Campground, way out in I'm by Creston, I believe it is. And today we're gonna look at this waterfall that's over here. So guys, let's go take a look at it. So this is beautiful Hawk Creek here. You can hear the waterfall whirring right behind that tree over there. But this over here is the campground. Got quite a bit of camping spots here. They've got two boat launches, and the creek dumps out into the Columbia. But the main attraction is right over there. So let's go take a look at it. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this little look at the Hawk Creek Waterfall here. And if you did, you guys know what to do. Smash that like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe right here to 509 Adventures, baby. That's where it's at. And guys, I will see you somewhere out here in the next one. Adventure on, my friends.